We're moving to the camp of former rapper J Blaq, who used to be on the record label of Richie Men, so that is Lynx Entertainment. What's up? Yeah, that was he has made some comments regarding him being born again. Now he says he is not going back, or he hasn't even given it a thought of going back to Lynx after becoming born again. Now rapper J Blaq says he has not considered making a return to his former record label Lynx Entertainment. Also, a decade after his departure, J Blaq, who is currently promoting his new gospel single I Am Blessed via his own label Oracle of Jesus, spoke to Chris Carter on City TV's The Chat Show. Now, according to him, even though he is still in good terms with the CEO of Lynx, that is Richie Mensah, they have discussed the possibility of him making a U-turn to the label. Now, J Blaq, also known as Biggie Boy Lover, was one of the first musicians who were signed by Lynx Entertainment together with Easy, Asem, and Ziggy. Born Andy Ni Akwashi, J Blaq played the popular character Malonti in the hit TV series Sad City. Shortly after joining Lynx Entertainment and releasing his album Galanja, J Blaq disappeared from the limelight, only to resurface as a Christian evangelist. Now, according to him, his health condition deteriorated due to kidney failure, which he attributes to irresponsible lifestyle and excessive sexual indulgence. So this is what J Blaq is saying. So if you know that you engage in irresponsible lifestyle and excessive sexual indulgence, you have to think twice, else kidney disease awaits you. So yeah, what they do, a drudy bebrebe, or the kidney disease is nam. A drudy bebrebe. Chop medicine every day. Chop medicine every day. Chop. Everybody is chopping one. Only you want to chop 2. Only you want to chop 3. Only you want to chop 4. Only you want to chop 5. Adding. Why? And do you want to chop from her? And I want to go. And I want to sell. Wallow won what you to a drudim. Ewa.